Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure of how to save your favorite songs and albums on Spotify. Let's get started. Open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Look for the search icon, usually represented by a magnifying glass, and tap on it. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type the name of the song or album you want to save to your library. Scroll through the search results and find the specific song or album you wish to save. Next to the song or album title, you will see 3 dots in a vertical line. Tap on these 3 dots to open the options menu for that song or album. Within the options menu, look for the like button. It is usually represented by a heart icon. Tap on the like button to save the song to your library. The heart icon will turn green to indicate that the song has been added to your liked songs. Let's discuss about desktop version of Spotify. Launch the Spotify app on your desktop computer. Locate the search bar at the top of the screen and click on it. This will activate the search function. In the search bar, type the name of the song or album you want to save to your library. Scroll through the search results and find the specific song or album you wish to save. Once you find the song you want to add to your library, click on it to open its detailed information. Within the detailed information page, you will see a heart icon. Click on the heart icon, like button, to add the song to your library. The heart will turn green to it. That's it. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and leave your comments below.